She's lost interest. It stings, doesn't it? The texts are colder, the connection feels distant, and you're left questioning, what went wrong? Is it too late to reattract her? Here's the good news. You can spark that interest again, but not by chasing, pleading, or losing your sense of self. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy of resilience and wisdom, offers a unique approach to reattraction. And no, it's not about sending her a Marcus Aurelius quote at 3 a.m., although that'd be impressive. In this video, we'll break down 5 Stoic principles to help you navigate this situation with calm, purpose, and self-respect. Stick around because the final principle isn't just about her, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. 1. Master emotional control. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." When someone loses interest, the instinct is to panic, overthink, or try to force things. But Stoicism teaches us to detach from what we can't control, her feelings, and focus on what we can, our own emotions. Instead of reacting impulsively, practice calm and restraint. Emotional stability is attractive. It shows strength and maturity. 2. Stop chasing. Start valuing yourself. Epictetus reminds us, know your worth. If you don't, others won't either. Chasing someone who's pulling away only lowers your value in their eyes. Instead, focus on becoming someone you respect. Invest in your goals, hobbies, and passions. When you stop chasing and start thriving, you naturally become more intriguing. 3. Reassess what you truly want. Seneca said, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity." Take this time to reflect. Was her interest truly aligned with your values? Did the relationship have depth, or were you just drawn to the idea of being wanted? When you approach the situation with clarity, you'll either reattract her or realize you deserve someone who values you without conditions. 4. Lead by example, not words. The Stoics believed in actions over words. Instead of trying to convince her with promises, let your transformation speak for itself. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be one." When she sees the growth and calm confidence you embody, it sends a powerful message. You are someone worth being around. 5. Accept what you cannot control and let go. Epictetus advised, "Some things are up to us, and some things are not." If you've done your part, improved yourself, respected her space, and shown your value, it's time to release any attachment to the outcome. Letting go isn't about giving up. It's about finding peace regardless of what happens. Ironically, this calm detachment often reawakens attraction because it shows you're not dependent on external validation. Reattracting someone isn't about manipulation or desperation. It's about rediscovering your own value and letting that shine. Stoicism reminds us that the greatest power lies within ourselves. Whether she returns or not, you'll emerge stronger, wiser, and more in control of your life. But what if she comes back and you're unsure whether to start fresh? How do you rebuild trust and connection? Click here to watch How to Build a Strong Relationship with Stoic Wisdom, where we'll explore the principles of lasting, meaningful connections.